Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable auto-decline friend requests in Dead by Daylight. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to options. They're close to the quit button. Now click them, and here we need to go over to online. Now in the social category, we will have the auto-decline friend requests. So whenever you get a friend request and this option is enabled, then simply it will automatically decline and you will never see that request. So if you want it enabled and you don't want any more friends in the game, then you enable it with the left click or simply clicking on the either right side or on the left side. It doesn't matter. You can enable it or disable it either way. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.